How to add WhatsApp button to your WordPress website. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create this button, which is going to allow people to contact you through WhatsApp. So it is very simple. First, you will need to just go down to the description. You should be able to find a code. Just go ahead and copy that code, and let's just go ahead and show you how to use it. So I'm just going to go to all pages. Basically, what you need to do is go to wherever you actually want to add the button. So I'm just going to go to all pages. And in my case, I'm just going to add it to the home page because why not? But you can feel free to go to any page really. And then you just choose your editor. So in my case, I used Elementor. If you use the default one, it's fine. It's the same block really, so you can't really miss it. But I'm just going to click on edit with Elementor. So let's say I just want to add it right here. So what I'm simply going to do is grab a container, drag it right down here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and grab the element that I need, which is going to be the HTML element. So we're just going to scroll down until you find HTML. So just go ahead and drag this and drop it into the container. From here, you simply just want to paste in the code that you just got from the description. And right away, you're going to be able to see that this button now exists. Now, first of all, we can centralize it real quick by just doing center. And if it doesn't work, we can just make this shorter, and this should be in the center now. Great. So what else can we do? First, we will need to actually adjust the code itself and make sure that our button, our number is now selected, because now it's just a random number that I have. Now, in order to add your number, you're going to be able to see it right over here. So this is the top of the code, and you should be able to see this right here. Actually, I'm just going to use a notepad just to make things easier for us to see. Okay, so here's the code, and you simply want to change one bit of it, which is going to be this. This is going to be your phone number instead. And it's going to also include the country code. So if your country code, let's say, your country code is +971, like in the UAE, in that case, you simply just want to remove the plus and keep your country code and just go ahead and enter the rest of your number. So again, just go ahead and replace this number with yours, including the country code, but without the plus sign. So that is the only adjustment that you actually need to make. Other than that, if you want to customize how it looks like, you are going to need to dive into some code here, which I'm not really going to showcase. Maybe you can have some AI help you. But anyways, this is going to work perfectly fine. You just need to click on publish from the top right corner, and we're pretty much good to go. So now if people click on it, it's just going to pretty much open up WhatsApp, and people are going to be able to text you right away. So that's pretty much how to add WhatsApp button to your WordPress website. Hopefully you found this video to be informative. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.